This is 20 Cheney Place, October 3rd, 2017.
What is that? You see that, right?
I don't know. Could be a camera glare, or they said a tree root.
No, there's something stuck in that line. That's a hose. That's a tape measure. That's a tape measure.
Yeah, somebody flushed it down.
Look at that.
How can we get it out?
Unfortunately, my friend, the only way to get that out is you're digging that out.
This is all. What material is this?
This right here looks like clay pipe.
What pipe?
Clay.
It's now 45 feet. Yeah.
No, that's not fully accurate. I didn't zero it out before I went through that.
We should do a accurate one.
It'll be accurate by the time I'm done with the city. All right. Can you have her flush a toilet for me real quick? Would you mind?